I am with Jason here. The last time I was here that we were setting up a 6.1 S2C with 3 surround sound, broken surround sound receiver. The reason we use broken surround sound receiver because it's only working on 2 channels anyway, so, and it's free. But this time, Jason has upgraded his system and put his fancy 2-speaker system back to a main speaker because he can't stand the speaker that I lent him anymore.
Well, what I had the last video was the cheapy system. So all the speakers and amps and wires and everything, subwoofer, were about total of about $500 used.
$500 or $1,000?
Around 500.
Okay, well,
for 6 speakers, sub, 3 broken receivers.
I say $1,000 because you were saying $1,000. That
what?
That.
We'll argue that.
We'll argue offline. We'll argue offline.
All right. We'll argue
cut
offline.
That means I gotta edit. No.
Right.
No. But this time I also have a couple of mystery people that listen to the setup, and we spent an hour and a half. I am actually surprised and impressed that person that's saying like she's not going to stay this long and then sit in the chair, keep it warm for an hour and a half. I was impressed. So
she just said, play something else.
Yep.
Play the next one. I want to hear this.
I want to hear this. I want to hear this. The
first one.
You know, took a little bit for her to sit down, but once she sat down, it won't move.
Yeah. We had fun. Yeah?
Yes.
And have some emotional response too. But anyway.
Yeah.
So I am going to ask her, after having experience of a 6.2 S2C, not in my system but Jason's system, and she have 1 or 2 lines that she want to say to everybody. There you are.
Hi everybody. Everybody needs to hear this system.
Okay, say that again with the mic closer now.
Oh.
Now, this is the mystery person, and I gotta put the mic closer to her.
Hi everybody. I'm here to tell you that everyone needs to hear this system. It is an excellent system. Brings out the emotion in you. I had a song that was very close to my heart, and it brought tears to my eyes. So if you ever get a chance to hear this system, or one like this, you need to do so.
So she is talking about the 6 speaker, or possibly 8, that's set up.
Yes. No, it's fun to listen to. Couldn't really hear where the sound wasn't really coming from
any speaker.
It was just there around us.
And the common question is, she was asking, is the rear channel set up? Is the rear channel on? That's a common kind of question about this multi-speaker setup, and which is a good thing. You don't hear anything from any particular speaker.
Nope. The sound is where you think it would come from.
Yes.
In front of you, and comes from behind and side, but yeah, it does the job.
It does the job.
It's natural. It sounds. I find it sounds natural.
Very clear.
Clear.
The vocals clear. Yep. And then on top of that, that's the SCK4 right there at the back. I brought it over so Jason can actually test it out for a couple of weeks, at least maybe more, if I'm too lazy to get back here to pick it up. And we have fun to do that too.
You know what? It works.
Well, if it doesn't work, I'm not selling it.
It works. It's fun to play with. It really changes the shape, the height, the width, the depth, depending on the music you're listening to, what you feel like. It adds a lot to the experience, to the listening experience, I think. And you heard it.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I've seen you just keep playing it. Like you can't stop
and I didn't
playing.
want to just leave it where it was. I kept trying to, depending on the music and the volume, and just kept playing with it, changing it.
And even the mystery person hear the change.
Yes, it was very distinguished.
Yep. So it works.
It works.
You're not surprised.
I'm not.
I shouldn't be surprised. I'm not surprised.
Not either.
I'm joking. I know it works.
I'm not surprised. Why should I be surprised? If I'm surprised, then there's a problem.
Yep.
All right. Are we done?
Good day. Good day. Good music.
We are only a few
Oh, I
clicks.
said good day. I said good day. Good day to you.
That's a very polite
Okay.
way to get me. Get lost.
Yeah,
so
that's right.
I am happy to get lost because I have just found out this morning, within a few clicks away from this place, there's a Costco. Hot dog place.
Let's go.
Hot dog place. Hot dog. Until later, or next time, stay safe. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.